Hey guys, this is Jim. I'm in for Stock Sumo, which can be found at stocksumo.com. Stock Sumo, we outweigh the competition. Hope you guys are doing well out there. Today is Tuesday, June 21st, 2011. It is after the market close. This is a video chart presentation on RGIN, which is Regenison Incorporated, traded on the bulletin boards. And of course, this is the 6-month chart. Showing RSI, MACD, and slow stochastics. I did want to point out one thing real quick. It's pretty important, really. Is if you'll notice here, we have a nice little flagpole, right? And we do definitely have a flag formation. Typically, in these types of situations and scenarios, you'll expect perhaps a white candle here soon. I mean, you don't know. This could stretch out for a couple more days, but typically, if things are there and the ingredients are ripe and all that sort of stuff, you would expect a nice beautiful white candle after this for the next leg up. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that. The reliability is decent actually, so just pay attention to that, and along with all the other technical indicators I'm going to mention here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. The RSI looking pretty nice here. We had a bounce off the 50 a couple of sessions ago. Closed at 53.45. That's actually looking nice. It's not too overbought, too oversold, and you know, typically you want to start seeing this thing head into the power zone and 90 before you start thinking it might be overbought. So plenty of room to head north there. The slow stochastics looking pretty nice here too, guys. We had a bounce again off the 50, had a pinch over, crossover if you will, and a little divergence here. So again, it closed above the 50 mark, showing some strength, and you definitely want to see that in the slow stochastics. Again, not overbought, oversold area as well. The MACD, I know it's kind of hard to see. We did have a little bit of course, back several sessions ago, we had a crossover pinch and just a nice slow divergence up, and it looks like we're getting ready to do another pinch and perhaps a crossover as well. Histogram still positive, so again showing relative strength here. Don't show any weakness here in the stock, at least as far as these indicators are concerned. As far as support and resistance levels, support here is really nice actually, 21 cents. We had a 50 DMA at 21 cents. It closed well above that. And let's see here. Of course, the 200 DMA is 63 cents. This thing's coming off at higher levels, guys. I know this is a logarithmic scale, so it's not, you know, it's going to squeeze it for us, but we were close to almost $1, and you can see this thing is sold off way down here to 23 cents. So it looks like we're starting to bounce off that mark too. So yeah, that's also something you definitely want to take a look at too. So as far as resistance levels, looks like we got couple of points here of resistance at 25 cents, and also above that, top of the last rally, roughly about 32 cents. And let's go ahead and go one more above that. Actually looks like it's pretty weak there, 32 cents. And of course right there at about 37 cents or so, we have another point of resistance. But again, it's only, you know, these resistance points are actually pretty weak. This just touched one time and failed. That's pretty weak. And usually when you start seeing the repeated, you know, repeated attempts at passing that mark, then it'll be strong. But if you just see one or two times, that's pretty weak resistance. And same goes with this 37-cent mark. As far as support levels, it looks like right here at about about 18 cents, looks like. And it's actually been tested twice, and it did bounce off. So that's actually not a bad point of support. And of course, we have the one at 21 cents. So we really have decent support here on the low side. So we'll just have to keep an eye on this. You know, if we have some nice buying, perhaps some great news or whatever, you could perhaps see that big white candle after this flag formation. We'll just have to kind of wait and see. I did want to remind you that the information contained herein has been compiled from sources deemed reliable and is accurate to the best of our knowledge and belief. However, stocksumo.com cannot guarantee as to its accuracy, completeness, and validity, and cannot be held liable for any errors or omissions. Furthermore, stocksumo.com is neither an investment advisor nor financial advisor, and no information provided here is to be interpreted as a suggestion to buy or sell securities. Please visit the disclaimer page on the website at www.stocksumo.com for further information. Happy trading, guys, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.